When it comes to mowing with a zero turn, most people jump right in without realizing they're making costly mistakes. Mistakes that can wreck your lawn, damage your mower, or worse, put your safety at risk. So in this video, I am breaking down 7 genius mistakes to avoid, because knowing these could save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Let's get into it. First up, turning too fast on slopes. This is hands down one of the most dangerous mistakes out there. Zero turns are powerful, but when you whip around on a slope, you are just one wrong move away from rolling over or tearing up the grass. The key? Slow down, take wider turns, and skip the steep stuff if it feels risky. Trust me, no perfectly cut lawn is worth tipping over. Next, mowing wet grass. It might seem harmless, but cutting wet grass is a total headache. The clippings clump, the deck gets clogged, the grass tears instead of cuts, and rust sets in before you know it. Plus, wet ground means slippery tires, especially on hills. Wait until the lawn is dry and you will get a cleaner, smoother cut every single time. Number 3, cutting too short, also called scalping. Listen, shorter grass does not mean better grass. Cutting too low weakens the roots, invites weeds, and leaves ugly bare spots. Follow the golden rule. Never chop off more than 1/3 of the blade at once. Your lawn will look thicker, greener, and way healthier. Coming in at number 4, ignoring blade sharpness. Dull blades are like using a butter knife to slice steak. It just does not work. Blades that tear instead of cut leave grass ragged, stressed, and more prone to disease. Plus, your mower works overtime, burning more fuel and wearing down faster. Keep those blades sharp and your lawn will show it. Mistake 5, skipping pre-use inspections. I know, you're eager to get mowing, but taking 2 minutes to check for loose belts, leaks, worn blades, or low tire pressure can save you from a breakdown mid-mow. A quick once-over keeps your machine running smooth and your day stress-free. Mistake 6, using the wrong deck height for the terrain. This one is huge. Too low on uneven ground, you scalp the grass and ruin your blades. Too high, the mower bogs down and leaves patches. Adjust the deck based on the ground you're working on. A clean, even cut starts with the right setup. And finally, overloading the mower. Zero turns are tough, but they're not made to haul the weight of a small truck. Overloading strains the frame, burns out the transmission, and shortens the life of your mower. Stick to what your machine is built for, and you'll avoid costly repairs down the road. So there you have it, 7 zero-turn mistakes you definitely want to avoid if you care about your lawn, your safety, and your wallet. If this helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use the tips, and subscribe for more smart, no-nonsense advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.